Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make double fudge brownies. Start with the core ingredients for truly decadent double fudge brownies. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, melted, and 2 cups of granulated sugar, plus 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar. For that deep chocolate flavor, grab 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and 4 ounces of good quality dark chocolate, chopped. Don't forget 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now let's create that luscious batter. In a large bowl, combine your melted butter with both the granulated and brown sugars, mixing well. Next, crack in your 4 large eggs, one at a time, beating thoroughly after each addition to ensure a smooth, emulsified mixture. Gently fold in the cocoa powder, flour, and salt until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough brownies. Finally, stir in your 4 ounces of chopped dark chocolate. It's time to bake these beauties. Pour your rich brownie batter into a prepared 9 by 13-inch baking pan, spreading it evenly. Pop it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Remember, a slightly underbaked brownie is a fudgier brownie, so resist the urge to overbake. The hardest part is waiting. Once baked, let your double fudge brownies cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. This crucial step allows them to set properly, ensuring those perfect fudgy squares. Cooling for at least 2 hours or even overnight is ideal. When ready to serve, use a sharp knife, warmed under hot water and wiped dry, to cut them into 16 or 24 delicious pieces. Enjoy them as is, or with a scoop of vanilla ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.